think all businesses have got a responsibility to look after the environment. A renewable source means that we can keep on producing this product without exhausting any of the natural resources. It has other benefits as well in terms of, the market we manufacture in, the supply of the product, as well as the pricing. I think the main thing about this product is, it offers the industry an alternative, not only for the environment, but also proven benefits in terms of performance. If we just for a while wanted to look at the environmental impact side, the product's not only biodegradable, but also recyclable, which makes it open for closed loop processing in that sense, which further strengthens the renewable side of the product.
With all the lab testing that was done with Powerdown, as well as the truck road trial that was just completed, the major standout thing is its ability to distribute heat. When the shock is working, it manages to get the heat out onto the surfaces quicker than the other products, which means it can release that energy and stay in the good operating temperature range for a longer period of time. So that reduces seal damage, which reduces misting, which is what we saw in the road trial. So for an operator, that's a big thing, because that's a visible problem that the trucks often get pulled up on.
To be fair, we started off with the project, as we said, a couple of years, 3 years or so ago, and the main driver initially was its environmental credentials, as we said earlier, and that was quite a significant starting point. We had some theoretical data from our supplier of the performance of the product. We recognised there was some really good heat transfer characteristics, but only once we got through the theoretical and then the practical trials did we realise how significantly better it was, I think, and it kind of all culminated in that, and we were I wouldn't say we were surprised, but we were absolutely excited by the fact that it exceeded all our expectations. So I guess at the end of the day, you can do all the theory you like, but it really comes down to the drivers and the people that are using the product that are the people to hear from.
Just find it safer. Doesn't move around as much, more controlled. When you go into a corner, it actually goes where you want it to go. It doesn't bounce around or anything, and you don't have to set up for a corner. It actually just drives the corner. It's good to drive. They have to be designed for Australian roads to work and be efficient, not knock around the operators, the drivers and that, and not knock around the equipment. Yes, I think they have to. I think it's a must.
Overall, they appeared to operate as good as the OEM product. When the vehicles returned to the depot, we'd immediately go out and shoot temperatures of each individual shocky, and we found that they were all within 1 to 2 degrees of each other, so appeared to be functioning correctly the way they should be. I think it's critical that components are designed for Australian conditions. I think if that component's designed to operate on our roads, it's going to impact the way that the other components on the vehicle are going to perform. So whether it's transferring to tyres on the road, less impact and damage to roads, or and if the tyres are operating correctly, there's less emissions through the engine management. Environmental concerns are very important to me, and it's great to know that we're looking at using renewable and biodegradable fluids in our components. I think that's the way forward for our industry. But additionally to the environment, I think as mechanics we have a high exposure to waste fluids and waste oils through our skin and vapours, and I think if we can reduce our exposure to known carcinogens such as mineral oils, I think that's also a benefit not only to the environment but to us as mechanics as well.